Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be planting some of the boxwoods that I showed you in my last two videos. Some of them are going into their permanent spot, which I'm going to show you. I also wanted to show you the Tide Hill boxwood that I talked about, which is one of the main boxwoods used here in Connecticut, and I have to tell you it's one of my favorites, and I'll tell you why. I've never shaped this boxwood, but I will show you the difference between why it's so different from winter gem and green velvet, which is used here. Now, another reason why I actually have pen in my hand, okay, and a paper, is that I'm waiting for someone here, a carpenter, to come here and give me a quote on something. I'm having a problem with my driveway. People keep hitting my columns. Somebody has hit my column again, and I don't know what's going on. I know my driveway is very narrow, so I want to see if he's going to be able to fix that. And I also I'm using that as an excuse to have him build me a tiny little bit of whimsical gate, okay, which I'm actually gonna sketch for you guys right now, because I want to sketch it and sort of show him what exactly I want. I don't want anything tall. I want something a bit whimsical, because I'm in New England. Look at me. I have all these leaves here, okay? And I know that is probably not a solution though, but I think that I've convinced myself, in case somebody comes and say, why do you have a little gate? I can say, well, people keep running over my column, and I think that when I have a little gate, they'll just leave all my packages. Okay, I hope you guys can see this. So I want this guy to build me a bit of a whimsical gate, right? So let me see if I can draw this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll start here. I just want something like this, right? I want it like this, like that. And I want 3 rows, little rows, right? 3, like that, like that. Yeah, 3 sort of. Yeah, I think you guys have seen this. It's almost like a rail, sort of a real tiny gate. Some people have it big, okay? I'm a lefty, what can I tell you? Excuse my drawing, okay? Yeah, so this would be the first gate. So you have a post, this would be the post, right? We'd have a post here, right? And then, yeah, and then there'll be another one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I start here, and let me start here. Right here. This would be another post right here. Right here, right? So then we have another one here, like that. But it will all be done correctly though, measured correctly. That's why I want him to do it, because I was trying to build it and it wasn't coming out right, right? So we'll have that, and then we'll have another, like, do you guys see it though? I mean, it'll be closer though, closer. You know what I mean, closer. Do you guys see this? Like something like this, right? And I'm hoping that it gets done. Okay, so that I can put some like red bows for Christmas. You know, I want it about maybe 4 feet tall. So this would be sort of do you guys see that? A post. So this would be post, a white post, right? And I can put like maybe a Christmas bow here, red Christmas bow here. Yeah, so something like this, tiny, whimsical. Yeah, I think I'm crazy. Yeah, do you guys? Look, I'm not an artist, so yeah, this is just a rough sketch, okay? Yeah, so we'll see if he can do it, and I want to also see what the cost is going to be. Also, all right, let me show you another problem that I have. Come with me, okay? Let me stop. Come with me right now. I want to show you something. Look at this here. Do you see these broken pots? Okay, let me actually go here. These things, I have replaced these pots. Okay, you won't believe this. I've replaced these pots 3 times. And every single time, it's been run over by, I don't know if it's UPS, Amazon, and I don't know what the problem is. So I just literally bought like 2 plastic pots that I'm going to replace this with. I'm not the type to complain. These are just pots, okay? There are more important things to worry about than broken pots, or maybe complain. I don't complain, so I don't know if maybe I'm just too nice. So I'm going to pot these into plastic pots. But you're gonna think I'm crazy. I want them to run it over again and see if it's broken. If it gets broken, then I know that these things here, these plants here, don't belong here, and I need to move them.
You know I don't lie, I really miss you now. But I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, had you by my side. It was all I ever needed, but couldn't realize. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love.
Hey guys, so I wanted to do this the next day because right now it's about 2 p.m. and it's like the sun, this here gets all shade before I talk about the boxwoods, but I wanted to show you, this is the front side that I'm talking about, and then I want to tackle before, and then that's the rock section, the bigger area that needs a lot of work. But this is what we're going to talk about. But as you can see, there's a reason why I'm filming this at 2 p.m. because it's all shaded. So I'm going to bring you guys closer and show you the difference. So this is winter gem right here, and then this is the Tide Hill Boxwood, and you can already see the difference between these, right? You can already see the difference. I also brought a green velvet, and I'm going to bring it close for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Hey guys, so these are the Tide Hill Boxwood. Do you see that? And I've actually never tried to shade these. This is how they grow. They grow into these sort of round balls, which are so amazing. And you can already see the difference between the Tide Hill Boxwood and the winter gem. The winter gem almost looks like green velvet also, and the reason why I'm decided to shoot the video at this time is that it's already in shade, and these do well in part sun and part shade, and I just love the fact that I don't have to do anything to these. You know, these actually save me work. Like, unlike the winter gem, I'd have to like shape them into a ball. And also the main thing that I love is that they are very resistant to blight, so I don't have to worry about that. And I actually brought you guys here this is green velvet, right? So the leaves on the green velvet mimics the ones on winter gem, so it's sometimes hard to tell the difference between winter gem and the green velvet. So look at this. These two together, they almost look similar. This is why these are my favorite, right? These here, like I said, never been shaped, and they just grow into these balls, and I just love the way they look. Look at the tiny leaves on these. Like, oh, they're so amazing. So amazing. And yeah, so
To be someone you love, and it gets me down. Let it slip somehow. I let it slip somehow. So this is 27. Start the music, kill the silence. Let my mind rest. Pour a drink 'cause it's effective. Can't seem to get my head around why I left you. And no, I don't like to be the bad guy. You know I don't lie, I really miss you now. But I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, had you by my side. It was all I ever needed, but couldn't realize. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. I let it slip somehow. Oh, I let it slip somehow. So start the music, kill the silence. Pour a drink and let my mind rest. 'Cause I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. Don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. Down, down, yeah, I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, had you by my side. It was all I ever needed, but couldn't realize. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. I let it slip somehow.
Hey guys, so this is all done now. I just did a round circle of like boxwoods right here. As you can see, round, 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 round. And then I did these little lines from, like I said, I used a trellis as a line of demarcation, and I just did like 4 lines in between. So I put 2 here, 2 here. Do you guys see that? Then you see here, there's another 2 here, and then there's 2. So there's gonna be 4 lines in between. Do you see the sort of thing that I'm trying to do? So I think my measurements were probably wrong. So this one is a little crooked. I should probably move this one to be in a straight line. So I'm going to be planting tulips in these little enclaves, in the 4 little enclaves that I've created. Let me go back a bit. All right, so do you see that? So there's like, yeah, this one is crooked. Oh, it's gonna drive me crazy. I gotta move this. I'm gonna move that. That one is a little crazy. I think this one here is straight, the straight line here, the trellis here. This one here is a little crooked too. Okay, so, well, that'll be too close. So I need to move the one in the middle a little bit. But this one here, here is straight. So 2 of the lines are not straight, but yeah, this is how it's going to look like, and I can't wait for them to grow. Oh, I don't know if I can do this. Yeah, I can't wait for them to grow so that I can shape them. So tulips are going to go into the 4 little enclaves. You know, use the trellis as a line. Tulips in the middle there, tulips in the middle there, tulips on the other side. So, ooh, very, very excited. I can't wait. And the ground is so soft that I'm going to try to do all the tulips this week. It's very, very soft. So yeah, so this is it. This is it. Hey guys, so I am back in here. I'm just trying to relax a little before I go do some other stuff. But I just wanted to thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you have enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing. I hope you're staying safe out there. I love you guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.